everyone. So in this video I'm gonna explain how to find the top 2.5 of the strongest stocks uh, after this market fall. Okay, so whenever you are looking to go long on a stock, your stock selection should just be about relative strength, right? So what is relative strength? Relative strength is nothing but in a given period of time, uh, how much has that stock performed, and you basically rank all of them and say that okay, these are the top performers. So the top four performers are basically relatively stronger in that time period, right? So generally this time period is different for different traders. If you are a day trader, then the 50-day relative strength will not matter to you. Your daily relative strength will matter, right? So 50-day would be good for a swing positional trader like me. Another question comes in that how to find relatively strong stocks during this correction. To answer that question, I will first take you to um, the general market, right? So when did the correction happen during this general market? The correction sort of started from here, 4th March to today. It's about 13 bars, yeah? 13 daily bars, but this is the index is actually not painting a correct picture, because the um, the actual correction started from somewhere here, which is the 19th February. And why I say that is because you can see that the cumulative value of stocks in CNX 500 topped on February 19, and from that day onwards we've been on a downtrend, and now we are putting like a double bottom kind of a reversal structure. So the actual correction started from February 19th, correct? So then February 19th would be around 24 daily bars. Okay, so from February 19th, in the last 24 or 13 days, what market has done is market has actually corrected to about -5%, and currently it stands at around 2.5%. All right, so then what happens is, what are strong stocks? Strong stocks are those stocks which have basically done something like this. Instead of correcting 5%, it's actually given 5% or more, right? So I'll show you two different ways how to build a scanner or find those stocks in using charting. Okay, so the first one is basically, I'll take you to my um, scanner, which is Homma High RS TTT, the technical take. You guys are the technical take readers. I just made this for you, so I'll explain now one by one. Okay, the first one is, in the last 24 days, the stock has given a return of +5%. Barabar? So, right, so index has given around -2.5. We want stocks which is given +5. Okay, and there are some additional filters here. This is of a daily liquidity. Okay, this is turnover. Daily turnover on an average on a 20-day turnover is actually about 1 crore. So this liquidity criteria is okay for me. If you guys, for those of you who have a bigger account, then maybe add one or two more zeros here. That should do the job, right? Daily close has to be above 20. Market cap has to be at least 1000 crores. Now this second last criteria is basically to say that, hey, not only I need stocks which are outperforming in the last correction, but those stocks should already have to be strong in the last 50-day or so. And why 50-day? Again, because I'm a sort of a swing positional trader, and whatever is in a momentum tends to be in a momentum with more probability, right? So in the last 50 days, it has given at least a return of 10%. And the last important criteria is that I don't need stocks which corrected during the last 24 days for more than 25% from the swing high, right? So this is that. So now if you run this, then you will see that there are names, 49 names, and 49 name is name 50 49 name is about 2.5% of the whole NSE market, right? So this is how you see the strong names. So you basically copy this and add it to your 2.5%. I already have the this one 24 10-day high RS list. So if you just add it here and sort it from A to Z, just to show you, um, or even like this, these are already some of the strong names which were on my watch list, right? So Zomato, just a couple of them. Solzer, very strong. OFFS, Jyoti CNC, Hitachi, Cummins, Cochin Shipyard. Today was a fake out, but very strong again, you see. SRF has been a stronger name, although today was not a great. Um, um, Sapphire again, a very big base breakout. D-Mart, Solar Industries, SMS Pharma, Shilpa, Kalpatru, eMudra, Zydus, Zensar, Volt, Vadilal, Torrent, Thermex, High-Tech Gear, Anup Engineer, Tata Chemicals, Star Cement, Siemens, Shriram Pistons, Rico Auto, Pidilite, Oberoi, Maruti, like surprisingly very strong, like Lind India. I mean, this guy doesn't think that there was any. If you ask Lind India, bro, did you see any correction? He's like, no, I didn't see any correction. Like, what correction, right? So that kind of a strong stock, Lind India. JSW was very strong today. The aviation names have been very strong. So you will see like a lot of strong names will come here. Okay, again I might have mixed two watch lists, one from yesterday, again one from today, but that's not a problem. So these are very strong stocks. Now this will just give you the names, but you have to now find the peak entries, and that's a discussion for another time, right? So for example, Solzer this day would have been a good entry. Even today, possibly an entry. Jyoti CNC was a very good entry today here, right? So the entries you will have to find by yourself, but to get to the stocks in which you have to enter, this is a very nice way. Now the second way is basically by using something called a dashboard, right? So I'll show, this is my dashboard, Homma top 2.5 strongest stock, right? So what I've done is I have three different tables here, and these tables will give you top 100 names in terms of performance in the last 13 days, top 24 names, top 100 names in 24 days, top 50, top 100 names in the last 50 days. Okay, so you can see that so many names are strong in all three time frames. So if you see Solzer, OFFS, eMudra is also a good performer in 50-day. So for example, Solzer 97% in 50 days, Solzer 62% in 24 days, and you will also find Solzer 22% in 13 days, right? So these are the stocks which you basically want. Now, to find, so it's good if you can find stocks which are present in both the last 13-day best performers and also the last 24-day best performers. So what you do here is you download this, and basically go and open the 24-day, open the 13-day, and you copy this. Okay, so copying the 13-day Khatarnak guys to one of my spreadsheet, and this is very easy to make. You put it here, and the 24-day wala also you copy and put it side by side here, and then you collate both. Okay, so Control C, you put it here, right? So this is A plus B, A, B, and what you then are trying to do is you're trying to say which is the unique, which are the unique ones, and which are the ones which has both counts. Okay, so okay, maybe I messed it up. What I'll do is I will again copy the names. Okay, so this is 24-day list. 24-day list, I'm putting it here and then also putting it here, right? Why is this? Okay, 24-day list, 24-day list. Okay, fuck this shit. I just need the first 100 names. So, why is there so many names here? Copy, paste. So paste it. Yes, we have top 100 names. Then we go to the 13-day outperformers and copy these 13 wala also here. So you have another 100 and you put them side by in one line, and here then it will count which of them appeared twice, okay, in the list, and then you sort them. Key only give me the names which appeared twice, okay. So then you copy this and take it to your watch list. Yeah, whatever that watch list is, you clear this list, and then you also need to copy it with the comma. All right, so these are the most baddest names in the current market scenario, which did not know that there was a market correction at all. So Solzer, eMudra. See, eMudra did not know that there was a market correction. No market correction for Mr. eMudra, right? Similar to Rico Auto, also it was already very strong when markets were like going haywire. Solar Industries, again, like these are names like which um, has been brilliant. ABB, brilliant name. Arcoloist, Aztec, CG Power, Voltam, Signity, and you can see that so many names are very similar to the names which is given by the Homma High RSTTT, this one. Okay. Now, if you wanna tell that, hey, I want to figure out the stocks which are coming here also, here also, here also, and then also it's very simple. You just download this and basically put these names, which was the list which had both, okay, and you put it as list 1. So about 55 names, and you also put that here. And then what you do is you take the 50-day performers, the 150-day performers, and you put it in the second list. You also put it in this, and then do the same thing again. You sort, tell it like the names which are uniquely present in top 100 performers in the all the three time frames, which is 14-day, 23-day, and this one. And here you will find very less number of stocks, but all of them will be like badass. So let me quickly create a watch list. 13, 24, and 50-day most badass names will be here. Yo, come on. All right, what I need to do is I need to copy it with the comma. um, and just paste it with the commas. Badass, how many how many badass names you have? Only 24. So this is again further, like this is like the top 1% stock, okay, top 1% stock in the market, which are high relative strength. And you know what I'll tell you, because it's a high relative strength, it will also show you in the Nitin's Mars indicator, and it most of them will have this blue patch. This blue patch means gross out of I sorry, gross नहीं कुछ और है इसका. Wait, there is nothing in this is what absolute outperformance, right? So absolute outperformance during this period of time where absolutely outperformance, which means that stock market was doing this, whereas your stock was doing this, right? So Solzer, eMudra, Rico, High-Tech Gears, Solar Industries, Ababab, Arcoloist, Voltamps, Signiti Tech, SMS Pharmaceuticals, Suratwala Bus, Vadilal Industries, JSW Holdings, Kalpataru Projects, Thermex, Zomato, Star Cements, Cummins India, Zydus Life Sciences, Shriram Pistons, Tollent Power, Shilpa Medicare, Maruti Suzuki, and OFFSS, right? So again, you don't have to do exactly like this, but basically the point of trying to the point of today's article or this um, video was to tell you that there is a method to do everything, right? There is a method. There is a there is a there is a system in trading. Whatever we do in trading, there is a system to see if markets are bullish or not. What time do the bullishness appear back? There is a system to find high relative strength stocks. There is also a system to find all key entry points, okay. And there is a system of risk management. There is a system of exit. There is a system everywhere, so that's the point I am trying to make with today's videos. Hope you like it. I'm going to make going forward a lot of videos for you on YouTube, and please subscribe the channel if this is something which is going to be helpful for you, and also would appreciate you liking the video, and also please comment if you need any help from me. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you soon next week. Cheers, bye.